How to establish a sustainable fitness routine. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In a world filled with fast-paced lifestyles and ever-increasing demands, maintaining a consistent fitness routine can be a challenge. However, it's crucial to prioritize your physical well-being for overall health and longevity. Establishing a sustainable fitness routine is not just about short-term gains. It's about making lasting lifestyle changes that benefit you in the long run. This video will guide you through the steps to create a sustainable fitness routine that you can maintain for years to come. Understanding the importance of sustainability. Before delving into the practical steps, it's essential to understand why sustainability is crucial in a fitness routine. A sustainable routine is one that you can maintain over an extended period, without experiencing burnout or loss of motivation. It's not about pushing yourself to the limit every day, but rather finding a balance that allows for consistent progress without risking injury or mental fatigue. Step 1. Set clear and realistic goals. The first step in establishing a sustainable fitness routine is defining your goals. Be specific about what you want to achieve, whether it's increasing muscle mass, improving cardiovascular health, or losing a certain amount of weight. Ensure your goals are realistic and attainable within your current circumstances. Unrealistic expectations can lead to frustration and may hinder your progress in the long run. Step 2. Find activities you enjoy. One of the most significant factors in sustaining a fitness routine is finding activities that you genuinely enjoy. Whether it's dancing, hiking, yoga, or weightlifting, choosing exercises that resonate with you will make the process much more enjoyable. When you look forward to your workouts, you're more likely to stay committed in the long term. Step 3. Create a flexible schedule. While consistency is key, it's also essential to build flexibility into your routine. Life is unpredictable, and there will be days when unexpected events occur. Design a workout schedule that allows for adjustments without causing stress or guilt. This flexibility will prevent burnout and help you maintain your routine over time. Step 4. Incorporate variety. Monotony can be a major demotivator in any fitness routine. To keep things fresh and exciting, incorporate a variety of exercises and activities. This not only engages different muscle groups but also prevents mental fatigue. Consider including a mix of strength training, cardiovascular exercises, flexibility work, and activities that promote relaxation, such as meditation or Tai Chi. Step 5. Listen to your body. Listening to your body is a fundamental aspect of a sustainable fitness routine. Pay attention to signals of fatigue, soreness, or discomfort. Rest when needed and avoid overtraining, which can lead to injuries and burnout. Respect your body's limitations and don't push yourself beyond what feels safe and comfortable. Furthermore, tuning into your body allows you to cultivate a deeper understanding of its needs and responses. It empowers you to make adjustments to your routine in real time, ensuring that you're always operating within a safe and productive range. Recognizing the difference between the discomfort of a challenging workout and the warning signs of potential harm is key. When your body signals the need for rest or recovery, heed the call without hesitation. Remember, rest is an integral part of progress, allowing your muscles to repair and grow stronger. Over time, this intuitive approach to fitness will lead to a harmonious and sustainable routine that supports your overall well-being and longevity in the world of fitness. Step 6. Prioritize recovery. Recovery is as crucial as the workout itself. Adequate sleep, proper nutrition, and regular stretching, or mobility work are all essential components of a sustainable fitness routine. Make sure you allocate time for recovery activities, such as foam rolling, deep tissue massage, and relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing exercises. Step 7. Seek professional guidance. If you're new to fitness or have specific goals in mind, seeking guidance from a fitness professional can be immensely beneficial. A personal trainer or fitness coach can provide expert advice, create a customized workout plan, and ensure you're performing exercises correctly to prevent injuries. They can also offer valuable motivation and accountability. Step 8. Track your progress. Keeping track of your progress is essential for staying motivated and gauging the effectiveness of your routine. Document your workouts, measurements, and any changes in how you feel physically and mentally. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and use them as motivation to continue on your fitness journey. Additionally, tracking your progress provides valuable insights into areas that may need adjustment or improvement. It allows you to identify patterns and trends in your performance, enabling you to make informed decisions about your training regimen. Moreover, seeing tangible evidence of your progress can serve as a powerful source of motivation, especially on days when your enthusiasm wanes. Take note of milestones, whether it's running an extra mile, lifting a heavier weight, or achieving a new level of flexibility. These achievements serve as a testament to your dedication and hard work. Remember, every step forward, no matter how small, is a step towards a healthier, stronger you. So, embrace the process and revel in the steady, incremental progress you're making on your fitness journey. Step 9. Stay consistent, adapt, and evolve. Consistency is the cornerstone of a sustainable fitness routine. However, it's also crucial to be adaptable and open to change. As your body evolves, your goals and preferences may shift. Be willing to modify your routine to align with your current needs and aspirations. This flexibility ensures that your fitness routine remains relevant and engaging over time. Conclusion: embrace the journey. Establishing a sustainable fitness routine is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, self-compassion, and a genuine commitment to your well-being. By setting clear goals, finding activities you love, and prioritizing both physical and mental recovery, you can create a routine that not only enhances your fitness but also enriches your overall quality of life. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about progress and the positive impact on your health and happiness. Embrace the journey, and let your sustainable fitness routine become a lifelong companion on the path to a healthier, more vibrant you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep chasing your dreams.